Every safety rule we follow today was written in the past, not with ink, but with lives lost and lessons learned. This is the story of how workplace safety began, how it evolved, and why it remains the foundation of every workplace. Factories surged, machines grew bigger, output soared, so did accidents, illness, deaths. Workers faced long hours, dangerous machinery, and little to no protection. In 1802, the UK passed the Factory Act, demanding clean air, hygiene, and shorter hours for apprentices. In 1833, the Factory Act widened protections, curbed child labor, and introduced factory inspectors. In 1877, Massachusetts passed America's first Factory Act enforcing inspections and safer conditions. In 1884, Germany introduced the world's first national workers' compensation law. For the first time, injured workers were guaranteed financial protection, a model for nations worldwide. In 1911, tragedy struck New York. The Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire killed 146 workers. Locked doors and unsafe conditions turned a factory into a death trap. Public outrage pushed reforms. That year, Wisconsin passed America's first lasting workers' comp law.
A horrific tragedy
The last thing I remember seeing was my sister Marie, enveloped in flames.
that changed the American workplace forever.
Down came the bodies in a shower, burning.
The cause of these workers had been underlined in blood.
In 1970, the United States passed the Occupational Safety and Health Act, creating OSHA and NIOSH. In 1974, the UK introduced the Health and Safety at Work Act, establishing the HSE. Since 1919, the International Labour Organization has made safety a global priority. Today, nearly every country has workplace safety laws, inspired by early pioneers. Safety today is more than hard hats and gloves, it's mental health, well-being, and sustainability. It's a culture where every worker has the right to return home safe, every single day. Safety is not just regulation, it is responsibility. Every rule exists because someone once paid the price. By respecting safety today, we honor the past and protect the future.